So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 15th of September. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side, if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Okay, let's start. Taurus, the person that you're in no communication or no contact with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Just give me a second. Okay, let's see. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Taurus, I'm looking extremely beautiful for some weird reason today because of the kajal thing. I don't know, but whatever it is, it suits me. Wow. Wow. Self-love. Wow. Cute. Five of Cups, Nine of Swords, a High Priestess, bottom of the deck is a Ten of Pentacles. Now, this is one of those people who are like, they are totally messed up from inside. They're totally in distress, right? From inside. But from the outside, they're all like, okay, dressed up, all good, all like, oh my God, my world is so beautiful. Okay. This is someone who is pissed off with you, by the way. This is someone who is sad. They have a lot of regret. They have a lot of guilt about whatever happened. They can't sleep at night thinking about whatever happened between you guys. But at the same time, this person is pissed off with you. Although these are not the cards of pissed off, being pissed off or something, I can intuitively feel this person is pissed off with you because of whatever happened between you guys. I think this person is kind of in this energy of blaming you for whatever the shit happened. And on the exterior, they're all good, they're all fine, they're doing really good in their life, really well in their life, and they are good to go. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Taurus? We have the Queen of Cups, Eight of Wands, the Two of Wands. This person is waiting for some kind of message, communication, apology, some kind of emotional kind of communication with you. They're like, okay, either they're waiting for you to like connect with them and have this message, communication, apology with them with a lot of love, with a lot of compassion, or they're in this energy of, okay, let's wait for the right time when I will be able to reconnect with the Taurus and I will be able to tell them how much I care for them and they mean the world to me and all this shit. So it's like I'm saying it shit because this person is still in this energy of you are the one to blame here, Taurus, and they're waiting on you to apologize or they're waiting on you to do something about it on a very loving, compassionate and caring kind of level. From their side, they feel like, okay, if you are not going to do that from your side, then they will do it from their side in the coming future, not right now. This is their plan. This is what their intentions are. Now, I'm not saying this person doesn't love you. They do. I do see the love here. I can feel it. But at the same time, their mind, you can say their ego, is kind of trying to play dirty tricks on them and they're kind of under the influence of their mind rather than their heart right now. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 15th of September, Taurus. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. This is somebody who is waiting. Okay, I think if this is somebody who tried in the recent past, they will wait again. They will wait for some more time to come back towards you. If they are the one who are not talking to you from a very long time now, or like a good amount of time has passed, this is somebody who's coming towards you with a stable kind of offer. Like, okay, let's make this work out. Let's do something about it, Taurus, because I really want to make this work out. This time I'm going to be honest. This time I'm going to be loyal. This time I'm going to be mature and grounded. This time I'm going to do whatever I can do from my side to make this work out. So you can expect somebody's turn around towards you in a very serious, in a very grounded, in a very compassionate way, kind of a deal where there will be lots of self-love, self-care, self-healing involved. At the same time, they're coming towards you with something stable on the table. Like, okay, let's make this work out. It's important for me. As a person, as a soul, it's important for me. So let's try to make this work out. So this is somebody who's waiting for the right time, might be. And for them, they are waiting for you to do something about it. If we are not going to do that, they are going to turn around and they are going to do it. It's like maybe not till the 15th, maybe by the 25th or something, because there is a slow moving energy coming towards you. But there are very good chances this person is going to show up in your life very soon with a very stable offer on the table. Like, okay, let's do it. Let's work on this. maybe with a marriage or commitment offer, if for some of you. For others of you, let's start from scratch and let's see where it goes. This time I'm going to be serious about it. This time I will try not to mess this up. Okay. And quite serious energies. Okay. With quite serious intentions. That's cool. Okay. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Taurus. We have the Seven of Cups. If you're super confused, if you have options to choose from, or if you're confused about the situation, you're not sure like whether to go ahead with the situation with this person or not, don't take any kind of life-changing decision. Okay. Do not say no or do not say yes until unless you're 100% sure about what you should do and what you should not do in this direction. Otherwise, you're going to mess this up more than what it is right now. Okay. So take your decision only when you're completely clear-headed and emotionally balanced. Then take your decision. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.